Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Compass wiper blades. First, you'll need the correct replacement blades. For the front, the driver's side is usually 24 inches and the passenger's side is 18 inches. Always double-check your specific model's requirements. Before you begin, make sure your vehicle is turned off and safely parked. It's also a good idea to place a towel or a piece of cardboard on your windshield to prevent any accidental damage if an arm snaps back. Now, let's remove the old front wiper blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Next, you'll find a small tab or button on the wiper blade's connector where it meets the arm. Press this tab to release the locking mechanism. With the tab depressed, slide the old blade downwards or away from the J-hook on the wiper arm until it detaches completely. Repeat this for both front wipers. Installing the new front wiper blades is straightforward. Take your new blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the blade upwards into the J-hook. You should hear a distinct click, indicating that it's securely locked into place. Once you hear that click, give the blade a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. This step is crucial for safety and proper function. Don't forget the rear wiper blade, which is typically 10 inches. The process is similar. Lift the arm, unsnap the old blade from its pivot pin, and then snap the new one into place. Once all new blades are installed, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Finally, turn on your vehicle, activate the windshield washer fluid, and test your new wipers on both low and high settings to ensure they clear the glass effectively and without any issues. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.